Peace and love, family. So, the Ichimoku cloud is a versatile indicator that defines support and resistance, identifies trend direction, gauges momentum, and provides you signals. And by the end of this, you will be making more money than me. The red line that you'll come to see is a minor support and resistance line for short term trends or for short term trades, aka scalp trades. And the blue line is a support and resistance line for medium term trends. So, main question though, when do I enter the trade? When the two lines cross. Red crosses blue, red crosses blue. So the first confirmation, main one, red line is crossing over the blue line, just crossed or is about to cross. And the RSI is under 30 or above 70. The RSI is the relative strength index and just tells you how much it's been bought or sold. So once I have these, I'll enter my trade. Now, if it's at least near 30 or 70, that's still good enough. So here's the raw chart. Show y'all how to set everything up. Just click hit main window. First, we're gonna put on the RSI. And like I said, the RSI is just the relative strength index. So this is just pretty much the price. It's just when it's above 70, that means it's been overbought, and when it's below 30, it's been oversold. So under 30, it's been sold too much. Now the buyers are gonna come in. If it's above 70, then it's been bought too much and the sellers are gonna come in, so it's gonna come back down. So here's the Ichimoku. That's what it looks like. You see that red line I was talking about? So you see here, the red line just crossed over the blue. Now that's a good sign. So this is perfect for us. So how I was saying you can enter when it's just about to cross over. So if he would have entered, then we would have caught, more pips. But sometimes it's best just to wait. I say, when they cross, because that's just extra confirmation. So, a trend reversal doesn't happen and it doesn't go in the opposite direction. Sometimes, you never know the market, it might switch. But so we'll just wait for them to cross. As long as they cross and the red is starting to touch, then that's a good sign. Let's see. So you see they just crossed over right here. So right there, right here, where that ticker is at right now. Right now, I see this when I open up my MetaTrader 4. I'll enter this trade. But for this example, I'm not taking the live trade. We'll just act like we took the trade, and then we'll show y'all what happened at the end. I'll show y'all. This is a live example, The market was closed on Sunday. I was just looking for some charts to use as an example. I found this one. I'm like, oh, okay, boom, I can hop in this one. And so I'm just gonna go through and show y'all why we use the red crossing over the blue. Because you see when it first came down, the red crossed over the blue and it started coming down. Yep. And see, if we would have entered at the bottom where first started to come back up, we could have entered there because the RSI was real close to 30, damn near touching 30, right? So like I said, if the RSI is under 30, that means it's been oversold too much and it's about to come back up. Because you see the RSI always flirts with the 30, between 30 and 70 range. So yeah, just keep looking at the chart and you see all the times that the red crossed over the blue, and see all the pips. See though, all those, yeah, those long red candlesticks we just passed, boom. Red crossing over blue. Just study the chart, you see it. Another thing with Ichimoku is you never want to trade inside the cloud. So you see when it's cutting through anything inside the cloud, you never want to enter a trade if it's inside that little orange zone or those little, that's the Ichimoku cloud. Now for this example, I'm just showing y'all how I trade with Ichimoku. This isn't how like a straight Ichimoku, you know, how to use it, all the, you know, because there's indicators on here y'all are seeing that, you know, you're probably wondering. I'm not even going to introduce you to those because I don't want y'all to get confused. You don't need all that extra noise. All you need to know is that when the red and blue cross, that's when you will enter the trades, and the RSI is close to 30 or close to 70 every time. Just look where the red is crossing the blue when there's a whole bunch of shoot ups and shoot downs. See where it started at and see where the RSI was at. It was most likely close to 30 or 70 before it shot up or shot down. And every single time the red has to cross over the blue. Every time. It's easy. Don't let these people out here get you confused or anything. Forex is simple, you know. Ichimoku cloud is simple. I know that green line is the lagging span. That's pretty much just that you see the whole trend. It's just pretty much the candlestick pattern just moved back like a bunch of periods, just so you can see. Yeah, you see all them pips that is shot down red, all of that crossed over the blue. Red crossing over that blue. So if y'all, you know, want to copy my trades, the link is in the description. The link's in the description. It's easy. If you're still not there yet and you can't do this on your own yet, you see what I'm doing, so you can just copy me. Links in the description for the signals. All right, so boom. I showed y'all how to set up the Ichimoku cloud. I showed y'all how to find entries. Now, let's see what our trade did. So we hopped in when the red and blue crossed. So boom, now look at it. Uh-oh. Went up. Went up. Okay. And boom. And after that, it started to come back down. So look at all that. All that is money we would have made with one trade, easy. Seeing the red crossing over the blue. Just identifying patterns. Whenever the red crosses the blue, there's always a trend reversal, and there's always a bunch of pips to catch. So it's easy. It's easy, easy, easy. Love y'all. Peace.